Hello, my name is Charlene Hesse, and I'm here at the SMTconnect show in Nuremberg. Next to me, I have Kevin Youngs from Omron. Thank you very much for coming.
Yeah, that's my pleasure. Thank you for inviting me.
Now, what solutions are you showing here at the show?
Okay, solutions now. We're looking at the standard production line, SMT production line solutions, such as AOI, AXI, and AOI. AXI is showing now a big development in inspection technology using computed tomography for very high speed. But we're also looking beyond the SMT line now with the real looking at zero defect, trying to examine what zero defect really means. It's not just localized to the SMT line itself, it's beyond. Looking at the assembly package, inspection of the assembly package after SMT and product before SMT. And the automatic movement of product and placement of product, removing the human aspect of the manufacturing to make it more precise, more lean.
Okay, thank you. And will you be showing also at the Productronica this year in November?
Oh, absolutely, yeah. We're being forced bigger as well. In terms of Omron, we be exhibiting our inspection systems, but also another portfolio for Omron because we are involved in manufacturing per se. Whether it is in food and commodities, whether in other industrial or SMT. Omron has over 80 years of experience of development, technology, and working to develop automation. So we are now focusing on bringing that automation solution to the SMT process and beyond the SMT process. So that'll be our core goal for Productronica, to show the market the portfolio and knowledge, not just the products, but the know-how and knowledge behind manufacturing.
Okay, and where do you see the trends going this year and also in the future?
Well, the big buzzword now is AI, of course, automatic. Whether it's localized at the component, and I call component, we think of component as being the inspection system or the product, manufacturing product. But above that, using AI to take big data. What is big data? Big data's information from the inspection process, but also the manufacturing process as well. And utilizing both manufacturing process with the inspection process to look at trends and localize very accurately defects, trends and variations within the process, and providing this big data in a form that's understandable to the engineer. Because the biggest problem with big data, everybody can provide data and you can put it into data warehousing environment, but then the companies that are managing data warehousing are not necessarily experts in the production. So there's a little bit of a mismatch of how to use the data. But we introduced, one of the new product introductions we make at SMT this year is a new suite of software we could Q Up Auto. Q being quality, up, improved quality automatically. So this software is taking manufacturing data as well as inspection data, using AI to collect the big data, but having special algorithms that will show the trends of variation in the process. And the next step in years to come, really showing an automatic adjustment to the process. So step by step, we start with the big data and AI, and then as years, and it will take years, it's not available, well, our system's available now, but a complete autonomous line in the next few years, but this is the target.
Okay, thank you so much.